Howdy YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. Not sure if it's an Amazon or a normal unboxing, but you guys can check them out. Link will be down below and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, click that link and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Not sure what this is. No clue. I think it's a bubble wrap. What is this? Where is it? This is a XKOO Otoscope 3-in-1 earwax removal. Oh, perfect. This will help Google Play or Apple, Android, or iOS view and clean earwax safely. Alright, let me get my other phone. I'll be right back. Alright, grab the other phone. So now we're going to open this and check it out. Like I said, I think it might be Amazon, so either or, both links are safe to click. So in case it's a my link from Amazon, my affiliate will be down there. And if it's a website, their website link will be down below. If I can get the manual out. There we go. There we go. Keep that down. This is what it looks like. Let me turn this light on. I don't know if that helps. We got some this kind of scope. Kind of like what the doctors use, or I'm not sure what this does. We'll figure it out. Here comes some of those stuff in here. Pull out the tube. Oh, this is a clean. I can get it out. There we go. Yeah, see? It's like a hook to remove your earwax. This little clean. Here we go. That little guy. And then here's a USB to charge it. Take this on the road with you. There we go. Here is the tool. There we go. Oh, it comes with one on it already to tip. Super lightweight. USB goes here. Charge it. Let me grab up the app. Alright guys, this is what it's called. The IC Plus. Installing pretty quick. I'm going to have to set this up. I'll be right back. And to turn it on, press that button right there. And then you're going to see it pop up right there. Got a nice little LED light. Connect that to. And it's going to go that. Oops. Where did it go? Okay, we are fully connected. Whoa. Alright, now be careful where you stick it. You know, You don't want to... That's pretty trippy. Look at that. You can see what a camera is. This is cool. Alright, I'm going to stick it in my ear. Oh, lordy. It's pretty clean. Oh. Feels good. A little bit. Wow. It's a little bit on it. I don't know if you guys could see. See a little bit around the side. Now let me try the other ear. This is really cool. And like I said, you get a few replacement ones. Here we go. We're going to the left ear lobe. Yeah, this ear looks alright. This one usually bothers me the most. I don't know why. There we go, a little bit there. That is crazy. There's a little bit. It scoops it up and just wipe it. Oh yeah, this is nice. Like I said, I don't want to go too far and puncture anything. Yeah. That's crazy. My ear feels a little bit better, but I mean, there isn't that much dirt, so look at that though. You can take a video of it, record. See the timer? So maybe if you see something, you can always show your doctor. It's a little bit of dirt. A little bit. It is hairy there. But I am old. Wow. This one's easy to connect. This is really cool, guys. Get a gift for yourself or family member. Oh yeah. Alright, YouTubers, definitely satisfied. Happy with this one. Check them out. Link will be down below. And I think I got focus lens. Or you could do focus wide. Let's try that again. Oops. Okay, a little bit dirty.
detected at the front door.
Oh, lordy. And there's my dog. Alright, YouTubers, definitely check them out. Almost forgot to unscrew it. You just gotta unscrew it off like this. And put it right through here. Bada boom. And like I said, take it off. Just to twist. So you're right there. And twist. So there you go. That's how you replace them and take it off. Alright guys, check them out. Links down below. Be safe. Have a good night.